Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a topic that has been buzzing around the tech world for a while now: cloud computing. You may have heard of this term before, but what exactly does it mean? Well, in this video, I'm going to break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand, so let's get started. First things first, let's define what cloud computing is. In simple terms, it's a way of storing and accessing data and programs over the internet instead of on your own computer. Instead of having all of your files and software installed on your computer's hard drive, you can store them on remote servers, which are owned and operated by cloud service providers. This allows you to access your data and applications from anywhere with an internet connection. So, why is cloud computing such a big deal? Well, there are a few reasons. For one, it's incredibly convenient. You don't have to worry about carrying around an external hard drive or USB stick to access your files. You can simply log into your cloud account from any device and access your data. Plus, since your files are stored on remote servers, you don't have to worry about losing them if your computer crashes or gets stolen. Another big advantage of cloud computing is that it's scalable. That means that as your storage or processing needs grow, you can easily upgrade your cloud plan to accommodate them. This is especially useful for businesses that may need more resources as they expand, but it's also great for individuals who need more space for their personal files. Now, you may be wondering how cloud computing actually works. Well, it all starts with the servers that are owned and operated by cloud service providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. These servers are housed in massive data centers all around the world, and they're connected to the internet via high-speed networks. When you upload a file to the cloud, it's broken up into small pieces and encrypted for security. These pieces are then sent to different servers in the data center, where they're stored redundantly. That means that even if one server goes down, your data is still safe and accessible from other servers. When you want to access your data, you simply log into your cloud account using a web browser or app. The cloud service provider then retrieves the necessary pieces of your file from the servers and sends them back to you over the internet. This all happens in a matter of milliseconds, so you don't have to wait long to access your data. Now, you may be wondering about the security of cloud computing. After all, if your data is stored on remote servers, isn't it more vulnerable to hacking or other cyber threats? Well, that's a valid concern, but cloud service providers take security very seriously. They use a variety of measures to protect your data, including encryption, firewalls, and multi-factor authentication. Plus, since cloud service providers are responsible for the security of their servers, they often have more resources to devote to security than the average individual or business would. This means that your data is likely safer in the cloud than it would be on your own computer. Now that you have a basic understanding of what cloud computing is, let's dive a little deeper into some of its key features and use cases. One of the biggest advantages of cloud computing is that it allows for collaboration and sharing. Since your files are stored in the cloud, you can easily share them with others and work on them together in real time. This is especially useful for businesses that have teams spread out across different locations, or for students who need to collaborate on projects with classmates. Another benefit of cloud computing is that it can save you money. Instead of having to purchase expensive hardware and software, you can pay for cloud services on a subscription basis. This means that you only pay for what you use, and you don't have to worry about upgrading or maintaining your own equipment. Cloud computing is also great for backup and disaster recovery. Since your data is stored redundantly on multiple servers, you don't have to worry about losing it if there's a natural disaster or other emergency. Plus, many cloud service providers offer backup and recovery services as part of their offerings. There are many different types of cloud computing services available, depending on your needs. Some of the most common include: 1. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. This is a type of cloud service that provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. It allows you to rent servers, storage, and networking infrastructure, and use them to run your own applications. 2. Platform as a Service, PaaS. This is a type of cloud service that provides a platform for developing, testing, and deploying applications. It typically includes a pre-configured operating system, programming language, and development tools. 3. Software as a Service, SaaS. This is a type of cloud service that provides access to software applications over the internet. Instead of installing software on your own computer, you simply access it through a web browser or app. Now, you may be wondering about some of the downsides of cloud computing. One of the biggest concerns is that it relies on internet connectivity. If you don't have a reliable internet connection, you may not be able to access your data or applications. Plus, if the cloud service provider experiences an outage, you may not be able to access your data for a period of time. Another concern is that cloud computing can sometimes be more expensive than traditional computing models, especially if you have high storage or processing needs. However, for most individuals and small businesses, the cost savings and other benefits of cloud computing generally outweigh the potential drawbacks. In conclusion, cloud computing is a powerful and increasingly popular technology that has many benefits for individuals and businesses alike. From convenience to scalability to security, there are many reasons to consider using cloud services for your data and applications. Just be sure to choose a reputable provider and take steps to protect your data, and you'll be on your way to enjoying all the benefits of the cloud. So, there you have it, a beginner's guide to cloud computing. As you can see, there are many benefits to using cloud services, from convenience to scalability to security. If you're interested in using cloud computing for your own data and applications, there are many options out there to choose from. Just be sure to do your research and choose a reputable provider that meets your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.